That man's sexual preference. He ain't told
I
on
don't give a
nobody. He
fuck.
ain't bring nobody down with him.
He
You
the
know nobody,
bag
but it
too,
don't
nigga.
matter though.
He don't put his
Give a fuck
business
if
in
he,
the
yeah, he
streets
eat the
like you
bag, nigga.
do.
Hey, bro, listen. Top dog is who top dog is. This is my thing. You do shit that I don't do. Believe that. You probably drink, smoke, something, right? That's
Hey,
what
Yeah.
you
Worry
do.
about other
We don't do.
niggas.
Why?
yo,
Why is it that what I do affects you? This is what I'm
Nah,
Cause
I
saying.
he's
don't
a
like the.
fan, Wack.
Listen,
That part.
you
That
the
part.
you the gangster
Weird
on
niggas.
You
Clubhouse.
don't can't affect
Jay
me. You can't
Nerd,
get no
Wack,
Nah, you the
nigga.
Coca-Cola
gangster
deal,
on
no
Hey,
Clubhouse.
Pepsi,
hey,
no
y'all don't even
McDonald's,
for
what
none of
talk on
that.
Wack.
Let
stage.
them dudes know,
Some
I'm
man.
y'all
just
niggas
trying to
don't even
figure
know
out
Wack.
why would I do
Listen,
affect you, bro?
listen. It don't. You the gangster on Clubhouse doing. You got a whole bunch of people following
Hey,
you, not
bro,
knowing
hey,
that
let me
that's
tell
not
you
how it
something.
What?
go.
Before I
That's not
came to
how it go.
Clubhouse, I was already who I was, nigga. That's why I am who I am on Clubhouse, because I came here somebody.
Man, I'm going on record today saying you the nigga who can't come outside no more. You gonna live on
Huh?
Clubhouse.
Oh,
Watch.
I
shut up,
can't
Y'all
come
Trey.
heard it? Watch.
outside.
He can't.
Watch.
What do you mean I
Absolutely.
can't come outside? What
You
do
the
you mean?
Oh,
closest
so
nigga to
y'all
that.
could
You ain't
come
no
out
man.
100 thick with 100 ENT t-shirts right now in LA. 100 thick. Stop it.
Ain't
Say
nobody
it
gonna
again.
do
What
shit.
he
I
said?
go about
What
myself
he
every
said?
day.
What he said?
What are you
I
talking
said
about?
all these niggas that got 100 NT and goop gangs, they cannot go to LA with t-shirts and pass out
You
no
can't
toys
even
and
You
no
come
are out of
turkeys.
your
Nigga,
outside.
I
fucking
go
mind. Ain't
wherever the
nobody
fuck
gonna
I
do that.
wanna
Hey,
go.
bro,
Fuck is you
stop
talking
acting
about?
like, bro. Hey, listen, bro. Like, I don't think, like, you niggas be firing shit up
That
like
nigga's
these
a
blocks is
dummy.
being
No, it's real
monitored like
talk.
on
You know
some
it is.
military shit. Get the fuck out of here, bro. Niggas outside every day doing what they do, going where they go, all that shit. I was just low riding yesterday in a red bandana chippy, nigga. Fuck is you talking about?
We'll
Envision.
see
Reset.
that Nina Boy and Bosco fight. We'll see if you show up.
Nina Boy and Bosco fight? What the fuck is a Nina Boy and Bosco fight? I just turned they check down because it wasn't enough. The owner
That's what
been
I
begging
thought.
me,
That's
Wack,
what
can
I
you please
thought.
partner? You ain't got enough money for me, bro. I can't. What are you talking about right now?
Well, ain't you
$5,000?
partnered up? Ain't Sleepless in LA, yo shit?
Well, that's what Rocky's doing, bro. Like, Rocky can do what he want to do. We don't
So you ain't gonna
tell
fuck with
each other
Rocket?
what we can and can't do, bro. Like,
So you
the
ain't
fuck
gonna
you
fuck
mean?
with Rocket?
That's what Rock, bro. Like, I don't get
Man,
what y'all.
you ain't going out
Rocky's a
there.
man. If
You ain't
Rocky
going
At
out
this
want to
there.
go
point, I'm
do
tired
that,
of hearing dumb
that's
questions,
what
bro.
Rocky goes and does, bro. Like, we don't tell each other what we can and can't do.
Nigga, if you make street politics with corporate, you gonna miss out on multi-millions.
Man,
Nobody
this
doing
niggas
this
is
dumb
crazy.
shit.
But see, these niggas is weird
Dumb
as a
shit.
motherfucker. They
And
ain't
bro,
never touched a four, five
and
million dollar wire.
you
These niggas,
don't abide by certain rules, you gonna miss certain accolades and shit,
They
bro.
want you to
what
Like
miss
y'all
out
be
on
talking
accolades?
$10
all this
million.
Hey,
shit.
I
I
bro,
don't,
don't
I
even
don't,
forgot.
I don't think
motherfucker
niggas got a
street
problem with
accolades.
the
How
corporate shit.
about that?
Niggas ain't got a problem with the corporate shit.
Don't give a fuck about no
Niggas
street
ain't got a
accolades,
problem
my
with the
nigga.
corporate shit. Niggas ain't
Fuck
got a
the
problem with the
street
corporate shit.
accolades, nigga.
Well,
Street
say fuck.
accolades could eat a dick.
Well, stop fooling these people.
Fuck
Stop
out
playing
of
with
here.
these
Every
people.
time
Bro, you
one
see
of
how
these,
you why
hey,
you
bro,
ain't feel look,
every
Wack,
time one of
look,
these full-time street niggas die, it's a GoFundMe up there. Wack gotta go pay the bill. Get the
but
fuck out
Wack,
of here, bro.
why you ain't been feeling this way about this shit when you first became a blood or whatever, Pyru and all that.
What are you talking about,
Boy,
See,
bro?
what
bro,
the
cause
fuck
it's
is
not
you
that.
saying?
It's
This
not
don't
you
even
to
make
say
no
So
you
you
Them
sense.
don't
niggas
feel
was
saying,
a
it,
so
kid.
bro.
you saying,
It
let me
is
get
what
this
it
Hey, let
right.
the
is,
nigga get his
Wack.
point
It
out,
So
man.
you
is,
saying,
Wack.
let me get this right.
Let the
It
I'm
is,
let the
supposed
bro.
to
nigga
be
get his
thinking the
point out.
same way at 45 that I was at 15. That's
You
why you at home at your
listen to
mama
what I'm
house.
saying though, bro. Listen
You
to what
knew
I'm
that.
saying, bro.
I just answered it, bro. I'm
But listen,
45
listen,
years old.
listen. You ain't let me
He at
finish
home in
everything
his
I was
mama
saying.
house in
I'm
his dirty
Let the man get
45
drawers.
his point
years
out.
old, bro.
Let little bro
Hey,
get his
I
point
got,
out.
I got a crib and I bought my mama a crib for whoever
His
just got
drawers
married.
are
Them
I'm
dirty.
niggas
You at his
stupid.
mama
45
house.
years
And
old.
I
I
ain't
don't
Them
never
give a
fucked
man.
with
fuck
no rap
about
nigga.
where a
Fuck is
nigga
y'all
from.
talking about?
Them niggas
I
think
don't give a
Wack
fuck
gonna send
about
them
none of
a
that shit,
wire or
bro.
something. Them niggas riding Wack like that. So
Man,
let
that
him
shit
understand
crazy. I don't know what y'all think this nigga gonna give all y'all $1 million
it.
for
Them niggas
having the way
stupid,
he
man.
think. Y'all
You
niggas
live with
weird.
your
Y'all got your
grandma and
own
your
Y'all
mind.
boxer
just
Nah, nigga,
briefs.
you
arguing stupid
retarded.
shit, bro. Nigga
You
tired of
niggas is
hearing dumb
crazy.
shit.
You
Hey,
live
Ain't
with
look,
your
here
great
go the, hey,
grandma.
but here go the coldest part, right? And this real shit. The nigga that's talking to me now, you couldn't stand in the box with one of my companies.
What?
So look,
What? Hey,
it's
what you just said?
obvious
Hey,
I'm
hold
doing
up.
something
Hey,
right.
bring
Look,
that
so
shit
what
back,
you
cause
should
I'm the
do,
nigga. I'm the nigga. I'm the nigga.
look,
Bring that
what you
shit back.
should do, bro, is
Bro.
what you
I
should
don't,
do is
bro.
chase your
Listen here, Wack.
success.
Listen here, Wack. Listen
Chase
here,
your
bro.
success,
I could,
bro. That's your way, your success, bro.
the street, and that's not corporate. You can't tell me shit,
1.5, you
homie.
think that's some money, nigga?
I'm just and
Allegedly,
you
allegedly,
out here compromising
allegedly.
your morality for half of
You
that, nigga.
think
So
that's
yes, it
some
is some money.
Young, they forgot all money ain't good money.
1.5?
That nigga
I ain't
smoking
having
the
to
Allegedly,
fuck
police.
with no rat,
Federally
nigga.
shit up
What
on
is you
here.
talking about? You can't survive
allegedly.
in the street, so you gotta take what corporate give you, and that's that. It's all
Not
right.
corporate. You gotta take what the police give him. That's why he
That's what
throwing
I'm
the
saying.
smoke
It's
screen.
all
You want
right
to
with
talk
that,
about
nigga.
another
But just
nigga?
admit this shit. You running with it like you big and gangster.
I'd
You
rather
can't
get
survive out here,
corporate money
nigga.
than street money,
What
dummy.
the hell is he talking
Duh.
about?
Man,
Man,
y'all
bro,
niggas
y'all
just
get
want
Police
to
y'all
say
station.
take
y'all
what y'all
gangster with this
y'all take
man.
what y'all take and y'all apply that shit to y'all life and y'all live it the best, bro. Long as y'all,
Y'all
bro,
trying to
Man,
make a
y'all
nigga
look,
go
fuck
to
with this
jail
man
out
on the
here. Stop
money,
screen,
playing.
money
Oh
folks.
is,
God,
bro. Listen
allegedly,
here,
bro.
bro.
That nigga
Listen here. The
police.
Allegedly.
way
They
you
trying
make
to send
money.
Goddamn.
that nigga to jail.
Every time nigga come,
You ain't hear that
every
nigga?
time
You
Wack
ain't
come
I'm
never
through,
really
nigga,
bust
showing
your
my
Wack
gun
business
head
Cool.
not
nigga
to
out
One
that
prove
point.
niggas.
motherfucker.
This nigga had the nerve to
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.